Sweet dreams are made of these. Treat yourself to a bedtime butterboard while everyone is ho-ho home for the holidays. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to jump on the butterboard bandwagon with my healthy rendition that makes the dreamiest bedtime snack, nut butterboard. To get started, spread several dollops of almond butter out across a cutting board or serving platter with a spreader. Almond butter makes a great nutrient-dense dip base. Look for natural nut butters without any added sugar. Next, evenly sprinkle across the board a half cup of sliced strawberries, Blue Diamond holiday-flavored almonds, and 1 tablespoon of milled flax and chia blend. Strawberries are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants to help strengthen your immune system and lessen cold symptoms. Then, drizzle the board with Hy-Vee honey or maple syrup to your liking. Get creative and outline your board with dipping options like apple and pear slices or toasted raisin walnut bread. Tag Hy-Vee dietitians on social media and show us what fun creations you come up with. Nut boards are an easy way to present traditional snacks or apps at a party, but with an extra flavorful flair. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Hy-Vee Dietitians.